Hi, I'm Kayla McDonald, digital marketing consultant and founder of Pure Genius Solutions. Welcome to my business page. Over the past few years, I've helped entrepreneurs stand out from the competition and grow their business using social media, online conferencing, and web design. When managed correctly, digital marketing can be the best thing for your business. Sites like Google, Facebook, and Yelp make it easier than ever to get found online and reach a global audience. But the real power of digital marketing comes from its ability to grow and scale your business 24 hours, 365 days a year. And if you don't have a professional online reputation, you're losing customers to competitors that do. You see, digital marketing is the promotion of everything we do on the internet. It's the modern way we communicate from a computer, smartphone, or mobile device. Email messages, social media posts, and video conferences are just some examples of this technology. On this page, I'll keep you up to date on marketing best practices and provide you with step-by-step instructions to dramatically cut your learning curve so you can do it yourself and put your business on autopilot. I'd also like to invite you to join my email list and download a free copy of my social media blueprint titled The Business Owner's Guide to Social Media. This document is filled with practical information introducing entrepreneurs to the many benefits social media can have on their business. To get your free copy, follow the link in the description area below this video.